Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. Yes, learning time. This is Deck Beauty. I want to show you how to achieve double side fan. Yes, and we are going to create the front V. If you want to create front V, you see the way I cover this part of the ear when I create my front pleaty. The other part of the ear, you open it. Open one part, close one part. You divide the material. You divide it 40, 60. 40, 60. I want you to concentrate. The shorter part is the 40, which is this part I give to the auntie. So, my beautiful auntie, beautiful outside and inside. Yes. Right now, I'm going to use that 40. You see that 40 to cover this part of the ear. You see this part? We want to cover this part of this ear now with this short one. Yes. That is how we they create V. V. This style is called V for front. Focus your eye, my people. So this style is very trickish. I don't know whether the English correct. It's very trickish. The only way you can learn this style is your eye. Open up for grant. Una see the way I take create the fan. Even from inside the 40. Then you tell your customer to hold it for you. Use pin to secure it. Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to use the 60, which is the longer part, to create fan. This style, you can use it for your photo shoots. You can use it for your as a celebrant. It's very super unique. See the way I am just creating it. Focus your eye on my hand, my people. Una see, I'm just creating the fan now. Fan is coming. Fan is coming. Fan is coming. Fan. Because we already used the other 40 to create small fan for this side already. So now we create with the 60. You see the way I create this fan now. Then you twist it. That one you twist, you use pin to pin it. Then later, we are going to bring another extra one from the back. Oh my God. You bring extra one again from the back. In case today is the first time you come across my video, my people, what are you waiting for? Run, oh. Go to my YouTube. I have more than 700 videos for my YouTube. For my YouTube channel, different style. I not gonna know the name I want to give to Gele. Go and learn even how to achieve it on yourself. In case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. Now London I just stay. You can book me for your event. We are all in one beauty, makeup, Gele, kuku, different thing, beauty. That would do. Go my Instagram, go and see. Most of my job are there, my people. So what I am doing now, I want to take from the back again and come out. You see, that one I twist before, my people. I use pin to pin some part. I take some part again and bring it to the front. Operation create nice style. That is how we create nice style. As you can see, auntie is looking beautiful, popping and popping. She's a very good woman. She's a godsend to me. This woman too good. I don't know how I want to describe her good. Too much good people around me. God will bless every one of them. Yes, so my people, use pin to secure the area that needs pin. That is the final. She's ready to go and rock the event. Yes, so my number is there. Contact me. I'm available to travel anywhere. Anywhere. I no get small pikin for hand. Go to my Instagram, Tech Beauty. You will see all my job are there. Una see wanna follow me for my 3 page and my 2 YouTube. The other name of my YouTube is Tech Beauty Life. Yes, so thank you. You say Okuku, we do everything. We dey sell perfume, we dey sell makeup product. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye.